Bom dia from the heart of Lisbon. We began our day with a warm breakfast at the hotel. A simple but comforting spread of fresh breads, eggs, fruit, and of course, strong Portuguese coffee to fuel our steps. Stepping out, the cool morning air met us as the city slowly came to life. Lisbon is a place where history whispers from the walls, and even a short walk feels like a journey through time. We soon came upon the statue of the working men, a tribute to the city's blue-collar roots. These bronze figures, bent over tools, caught mid-task, felt almost alive, frozen in motion. It reminded us that behind the romantic views and ornate buildings, Lisbon is built on the hands and hearts of its people. A short stroll brought us to a subway station, a fusion of utility and artistry. Unlike many underground systems, Lisbon's metro is dotted with color, mosaics, and unexpected creativity. Even the simplest commute here can feel like stepping through a gallery. Outside the station, we spotted the Lisbon coat of arms, a proud emblem of the city's identity. The ship and ravens, rich in symbolism, harken back to the tale of Saint Vincent, the city's patron saint, whose remains were brought by boat and watched over by two loyal birds. Continuing on, we found ourselves in front of the iconic Hotel AVENIDA Palace. Elegant and full of old-world charm, it has welcomed royalty, dignitaries, and travelers from all over the globe since the 19th century. Even from the street, its grandeur was unmistakable: ornate balconies, polished marble, and the echo of history behind every window. We then headed east toward Alfama, the soul of Lisbon. This neighborhood feels like a step into the past, narrow cobbled lanes winding between whitewashed homes, wrought iron balconies draped in laundry, and tiny cafes tucked into the corners. The scent of grilled sardines lingered in the air, and the faint sound of fado music drifted from somewhere above us. Alfama isn't just a place, it's a feeling. Of course, no walk through Lisbon would be complete without a stop for pastries. We ducked into a local bakery and picked up a few pastéis de nata, golden, creamy custard tarts with a caramelized top and crisp, flaky crust. Biting into one is like tasting tradition and love in a single mouthful. With full hearts and satisfied taste buds, we began our return. The sun now higher, Lisbon shimmered with golden light, its tiled facades glowing, trams rattling past, and people chatting in outdoor cafes. Lisbon isn't just a city you visit, it's a city you feel. In its streets, its flavors, its stories. And as we walked back toward the hotel, we carried a little of its magic with us. Please join us in exploring Portugal. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more travel videos as we explore Portugal.